So are you all back? Even if you're not live, because Sunday hai, it must be like everybody will be having a holiday and they will be with their families, so you can watch my videos later. So now I will be going by the signs. Like there are three major elemental signs, like cardinal, fixed and mutable. Cardinal are leaders. Who come under cardinal? Aries, Cancer, Libra, Capricorn. These are the four signs that come under cardinal. Under fixed कौन आते हैं? Taurus, Leo, Scorpion and Aquarius. And mutable के अंडर जो आते हैं वो हैं Gemini, Virgos, Sagittarian and Pisces. So let's first read the cardinal signs. All right. So in cardinal signs, first I will be describing you a little bit about their character, one negative quality and one positive quality. Okay, and I will elaborate it slightly. For this will help you understand your friends, your family members, your neighbors, that why somebody is so compelled to do something. Okay, so now for example, let us pick the cardinal Aries. Now Aries is cardinal, that means Aries is a leader. Okay, cardinal means leader, तो leadership quality है. Plus Aries is also fire sign. This is what I was telling you about element. There are four elements: fire, water, air and earth. So सबको एक element होता है. अभी cardinal में चारों element वाले रहेंगे. So in cardinal, let us talk about Aries. Okay, all cardinals have many, there will be many negative and positive, but I'm just picked the main thing. So the main and important positive quality is leadership for all cardinal people. Whenever a positive quality done in excess usually becomes a negative quality. I'll tell you how. Now in cardinal, they have the very good quality of leadership. So they can be very good leaders. Now if they are head of your family, it's very good, they will lead you well, etc. But when done in excess, they become narcissist. I'm sure all of you know what is narcissist. Narcissists are people who feel that their way is only the right way. They are the everything. मैं ही करता धरता, मैं ही alpha omega. So this becomes excessiveness about leadership. Okay. So at that time it becomes a negative quality, because leadership itself is a positive quality, but narcissism, where you do not listen to others' opinions, you do not let others people do what they want, and you just want to have like my way or highway. मेरी बात सुनो, others get out of the house. Otherwise मेरी बात सुनो, otherwise I will inflict this on you. Otherwise I will manipulate you to listening to me. So these are all, I'm not saying only cardinal signs are narcissists, but all the people who have negative qualities, who have leadership qualities, when done in excess, they get into a negative quality, and that is narcissism. So now let's read about Aries is a fire. Now what happens? Aries is leader plus Aries is fire. So what happens that वो उनकी चीज़ें छुपा के नहीं leadership कर सकते हैं. आप सुनोगे तो ठीक है, नहीं सुनोगे तो वो सीधे they will write you off. So they come under, they have the more chances to go towards a, I will not call the word narcissism again and again, because that is a totally negative word. I would not like to describe anybody as such. So let us give it a word as too strong leader. Let's call them too strong. Okay. So well, Aries being cardinal as well as fire, they have the things, you know, in them, that they may become too strong a leader and not listen to anybody and just do and make others do, not do what they want, but also want others to do what they want. So Aries, I want to do reading also, because I have received DM saying that in other videos that I had only explained and I am not doing a reading. So for 10th February till the 7 days reading, till 17th, 10th to the 17th reading for Aries, 10th to the 17th reading for Aries, which is cardinal fire. Aries cardinal fire, 10 to the 17th how will your week be? 10 to the 17th reading for Aries. 10 to the 17th reading for Aries. So, well, Aries, you have the chance to go abroad. For sure, there's a world card that's coming. Either it's a travel abroad or it is a relocation. This is for Aries in this week. This week can extend also, but yeah, basically for this week at least planning to ho jayegi. Abroad travel, otherwise relocation. Abroad bhi ho sakta or away from their place. Relocation could be not away from their city also. So, well, for Aries, let us take out 4 cards. I'm very good at 4 cards. If I try to do any other reading, they get into confusion. There's a typical way we have to read. So, I am very comfortable with 4 cards. Yeah. So, for Aries, you would be consulting a tarot reader or take some kind of spiritual help. Aries, this is the beginning of the week for you, and you will have a very, very enjoyable week with friends and family. This is a celebration for Aries. Also, you will get some love offer because this is a Ace of Cups. If it's Ace of Pentacles, Pentacles is money and Cup is love. So, you may get some good love offer, and yes, you may also find the King of Hearts. So, this is someone loving. It could also be you, Aries. You may be in a King of Cup position this week. Okay, so from 10 to the 17, Aries, everything, all the cards are yellow. Yellow cards are always good cards to come. So, Aries, you're going to enjoy a lot this week. Yeah, of course, week Valentine's ka hai. And love bhi hai. And Aries women, you will find the King of your hearts this week. So, all the best to you, Aries. Next, we will be quickly reading for Cancerians. Cancerians are the next cardinal, but Cancerians are ruled by element water. So, these people, they are little adjustable leaders. So you will not find a Cancerian standing on the top of the table and say, "Main hoon, meri suno." Aries can do that. Aries can do that. They can stand on the top of the table and say, "Main hoon, meri suno." But Cancerians are subtle, because water is subtle. And water always takes you must have heard this many times, they take the shape of the vessel that they are put in. So they are adjustable. That is the positive quality of Cancerians, being adjustable leaders. So they will not put their foot down strongly. But when they get into their negative state of mind, what happens? They are cranky leaders. They are emotional leaders. So सबसे बड़ा chance problematic भी हो सकता है, because Cancerians also if they drink, it's very bad for water signs to drink. I'll tell you, any water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpions, should stay away from drinks, because they itself is a water element and too much excess water ho jata hai and they cannot handle it. I'm telling you, they cannot handle it. Cancerians, Scorpions and Pisces, these people cannot handle drinks. So please stay away from alcoholism. So Cancerians are, if they stay away from alcoholism, I will call Cancerians one of the best leaders, because they are adjustable also. So let us read quickly for Cancerians here. How is the week going to be for them from 10th to the 17th of February? We are reading for Cancerians. From 10th to the 17th of February, we are taking out some insights. See, tarot is not only prediction. Tarot is counseling. Tarot is insight. So whenever I talk to you about tarot, or when I speak to people, it's a counseling too. So definitely tarot readers, whoever are doing tarot, turn into counselors also. So yes, Cancerians, how's your week going to be? 10th to the 17th. Yes, new beginning in career, money, something new. A new startup. New startup in terms of career or money. This week. So Cancerians, not very good cards to come. This is 10 of Swords. तो ये 10 of swords is a negative card. I don't like this card. This is, भैया किसी को मरने के लिए एक ही चाकू काफ़ी होता है. ये बंदे को बेचारे को 10 मारा है. So you see, in the beginning of the week you may get some form of betrayal because the sword is on the back. That is some kind of betrayal. It could also mean ending of some kind of a cycle, okay? But always after negative card there is a positive, you see. So when one cycle ends, another will surely begin. This is universe. Universe never ends. Energies never end. एक एनर्जी खत्म होगी तो दूसरी स्टार्ट होगी, because there is never void. You know, as long as we are alive, there is no void within us. There is no void in our energies. There is something or the other around us that's negative or positive energy. So एक साइकिल आपका खत्म हुआ है, किसी ने बिट्रे कर दिया है, किसी ने बैक स्टैप किया है, तो you end that cycle and make way for new cycle. Then they have got the Emperor card. So this is a very good card to come immediately after this. This is your own element. Cardinal signs, this is your element. So this can be an Aries, this can be a Cancerian. So Cancerians, you will immediately get into a Emperor outfit, you know, and change your time and take it in your stride. So yes, Cancerians, you will turn it. But there is some aggression also. Because आप जब ये करोगे आपको there must be some anger you have for the person who has backstabbed you or for the cycle which has ended, something which has ended, you are angry. So this is a card of aggression, okay? So you will be a little aggressive this week. Please keep your anger in control. These both are angry cards. These both are angry cards. And this is the 7 of Swords. Again, धोखे की कार्ड है ये. सो बिगिनिंग एंड एंड ऑफ द वीक दोनों भी आपको अभी क्या होता है, व्हेन यू आर सो स्ट्रांग, यू नो, पीपल कैन नॉट कम टू योर फेस एंड टेल यू एनीथिंग. सो व्हाट दे डू, इधर दे टेल यू बिहाइंड योर बैक, या फिर वो आपसे चोरी करना चालू कर देते हैं या आपसे चीज़ें छुपाना चालू कर देते हैं. सो देयर वाज वन सेइंग, इतनी सख्ती मत बरताओ कि मुझे झूठ बोलना पड़े. सो प्लीज़ ऑल द कैंसरियन पेरेंट्स, all the Cancerian head of the families, all the Cancerian people, please make a note of that. इतनी सख्ती न बरताओ कि सामने वाले को झूठ बोलना पड़े. So this is a card which has come to you. Somehow this week you will feel betrayal at its strongest, but you will also be an angry man, angry lady, and you will be in your own element. Cancerians never stoop down. They will not step down and do something dirty. Whatever they do, वो करेंगे शान से. लेकिन this week is aggression and some kind of an ending or backstab or something that people are going to hide from. So next, we are going on to Libran. The next cardinal sign is Libra, and Librans are also air. Librans are ruled by air element. Okay, Librans are ruled by air element. So हवा कैसे होती है? Light. Now these are going to be very light leaders. ये लीडर रहेंगे लेकिन आपको तो लगेगा ही नहीं कि इन्होंने आपको लीड किया है. They are so sweet because ये एकदम you know उनकी जो फोर्स या उनकी लीडरशिप कभी भी इसे स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्स से नहीं आएगी, बिकॉज दीज आर वेरी पीपल यू नो लाइट. तो इसलिए ये बर्ड्स की तरह हैं. सो लिब्रा एरीज दे आर लाइक यू नो हवा जैसे हैं. तो ये आपको से छू के निकल जाएंगे, ये आपसे अपना काम करवा लेंगे, ये प्यार से बोल जाएंगे और आप कर लोगे. सो दीज आर अनदर वेरी गुड लीडर्स टू हैव. Margaret Thatcher is Libran, so she is also a air cardinal. So such leaders who do not exuberate force, who do not force, they just lead you with she was called, Margaret Thatcher was called the lady with the iron hand in velvet glove, if I am not wrong. Lady with the iron hand in velvet glove. So हर काम लिब्रेंस का ऐसे ही होता है, वो प्यार प्यार से आपसे काम करवा के लेंगे. लेट अस रीड फॉर लिब्रेंस क्विकली. हाउ इज दिस वीक गोइंग टू बी फॉर लिब्रेंस? That is from 10th to the 17th for Librans. I want to break this video into small parts, so all others I will be reading in the next video. Yeah, so you are balancing yourself into two. Librans are always balancing themselves. वो तराजू का उनका साइन है. So कभी कभी आपको लगता है कि Librans are like दर बदलू, या फिर वो दोनों तरफ ढोल पिटते हैं, या ये इसको भी सही बोलते हैं उसको भी सही बोलते हैं. ये चीज लिब्रन को एक रेपुटेशन होता है, बट वो वैसा नहीं होता. दे आर ट्राइंग टू बैलेंस इट बिकॉज दे वांट टू बी जस्टिफाइड ऑल्सो. यू नो, उनको जस्टिफाइड भी होना रहता है लोगों से. तो उन्होंने जो बोल दिया वो लास्ट वर्ड है ऐसा नहीं वो सोचते हैं, वो फिर से बैलेंस करने की कोशिश करते हैं. लेट अस रीड क्विकली फॉर लिब्रन. यू आर जगलिंग बिटवीन टू पीपल, आर यू? और you're juggling between two jobs, or you're thinking about two things at a time. You're weighing very very hard. You're not able to make a choice कि इसमें से ये लूँ या वो लूँ. So this is for living. यहाँ जाओ या वहाँ जाओ, या ये जॉब लूँ वो जॉब लूँ. There are two choices that you have this week. Quickly for Librans, give us some insights for this week. Oh, one more card wanted to come, so I'm taking both. Yeah, again the card of Libra over here to come. Yes, judgment. So something you will be announcing from rooftops. So this being Valentine's week, maybe आप आपके लवर को रूफटॉप से चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोलोगे कि मैं इससे शादी करने वाला हूँ या करने वाली हूँ. Yes, one some lady का influence रहने वाला है आपके लाइफ में. So this is a very good lady to be, a very clever, intelligent. She is the Queen of Wands, magical. So yes, there's going to be a magical lady in the life of Librans. Oh wow, celebration. लग रहा है आप तो बस एंगेजमेंट करने वाले हो इस वीक, और एटलीस्ट आप कंफर्मेशन करने वाले हो. अनदर लव कार्ड टू कम. यस, सो आई कैन श्योरली से मैक्सिमम ऑफ द लिब्रन्स आर गोइंग टू रिसीव मैरिज प्रपोजल. एंगेजमेंट भी हो सकती है उनकी. एंड फॉर द लेडी लिब्रन्स वी हैव अ प्रपोजल फ्रॉम अ रिच मैन. लिब्रन्स, यू हैव गॉट द बेस्ट कार्ड टुडे. सो लिब्रन्स को सम मैरिज प्रपोजल, some celebration in the house. It could be an engagement, and the proposal that women will be getting from a very rich man, good, well settled man. And yes, so Librans, you all can enjoy. और सच में अगर है, मुझे पार्टी में बुलाने मत भूलिएगा. Quickly we go next to the next cardinal sign is Capricorns. Capricorn, all the Capricorn guys all over the world are my brothers. Because my brother is a Capricorn. और मुझे सब Capricorn men में अपना भाई दिखता है, इंक्लूडिंग सलमान खान. और मेरा भाई भी वैसा थोड़ा उसके जैसा ही है. So yes, Capricorns brothers, this reading is for you. Capricorn brothers, this reading is for you. So quickly, all those who are born from December 21st till January 21st fall under the sun sign of Capricorn. They come under leadership qualities. They also are the narcissist. Okay, I did not explain you the earth cardinals. See, earth makes you very stubborn. Earth makes you very grounded. Earth makes you very hardworking. Capricorns are also hardworking. I think the biggest narcissist, more than Aries, who can be have the potential of being a narcissist, is also Capricorn. Because see, they have worked hard to get where they are. Okay, they are also ruled by Saturn. Capricorn is ruled by Saturn. और अगर Capricorn number 8 हुआ तो you can take it, you can't have your word in the family at all. He is going to rule you. And he is going to say my way, highway. आपको कोई दूसरी ऑप्शन नहीं मिलने वाली है unless he has some soft things in him, like other moon sign, ascendant, या soft numbers अगर उनमें रहेंगे, like if they are born on the 2nd of January, something like that. Or just pray that they have some soft qualities of, you know, who are the soft signs? Some Pisces, or soft signs are, you know, lovely. Even Librans, though being cardinal, they are understanding. ऐसे कुछ अगर उनमें रहेगा तो थोड़े soft होंगे, वरना they are soft. But then yes, they are very highest on discipline, and you have to listen to them. You have really no option. So Capricorn, Earth. because they know they are right. There are some people who think they are right, but Capricorns know that they are right. और जब जिसको पता होता है ना कि वो सही है, तो उसको ना किसी को एक्सप्लेनेशन देने के लिए टाइम नहीं होता, और उसको एक्सप्लेनेशन देने की ज़रूरत नहीं वो समझता, क्योंकि उसको पता है जो वो बोल रहा है वो राइट है, तो आपको सुनना ही है. You have no option. So quickly, what is the week saying for Capricorns? There's some conflict, there's some fight. Okay? So शेर को भी सवा शेर मिल सकता है, ये ध्यान में रखिए. So there is some conflict, some fight. Let me see if it's in the family or is it in your business or where it is. Be a little careful. कुछ fights होने वाली है, conflicts रहेगी. It's not easy to be leader, okay? It's really not easy to be a leader. I'll tell you. लोग झगड़ते हैं आजकल. Yeah, so Capricorns, beginning of the week you will go inward. आप सोचोगे कि मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो सही है क्या? It's a very good thing to do. You'll go inward. Maybe because of this conflict. या तो आपकी वाइफ आपसे लड़ेगी, या कोई भी आपसे लड़ेगा, या आपके बच्चे आपसे लड़ेंगे. तब आपको समझ में आएगा कि शायद मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा कर दिया. So you will go inward and it's a very good. This is an introspection card. हर इंसान को हफ्ते में एक बार सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करना ही चाहिए. गो इनवर्ड एंड सी what you have done for the whole week. Are you on the right track? So very good, Capricorns. I love this that you're going inward and you're thinking about it. Then ऐसी कुछ मैसेज आएगी आपको, कुछ ऐसी मैसेज आएगी in the beginning of this week जो आपको थोड़ा रातों की नींद आपकी खराब कर देगी इनिशियली. ऐसी कोई खबर आएगी. बहुत ज़्यादा बुरी खबर नहीं दिख रही है मुझे यहाँ पर, बिकॉज लास्ट जो कार्ड आया है, दिस इज द हैप्पी मैन. This card now, when it comes in my own reading now, I'm so happy. I don't know why. This is a 9 of cups. It is a wish fulfillment card. It is also called the 9 foot of the rabbit. है ना, ये जो ऊपर है 9 cups, वो ना रैबिट की फुट तरह दिखते थे. और पुराने ज़माने में लोग जब रैबिट की फुटप्रिंट्स देखते थे ना, they used to think that their wish is going to be fulfilled. So this is a 9 of cups, also called the rabbit foot card, and also called the manifestation card. Wish fulfillment, not manifestation, wish fulfillment. तो आपके एंड ऑफ द वीक होते होते आपकी विश फुलफिल हो जाएगी. कैप्रिकॉर्न, नथिंग टू वरी. थोड़ी सी जो स्लीपलेस नाइट्स आप जाओगे तो, बट द एंड प्रोडक्ट इज रियली गुड. You will be in a happy situation by the end of this week. That's all for my cardinals, Aries, Cancer, Libra and Capricorn. Thank you so much. Take a good care of yourself and your family. Please, all those who are watching me, hold on. I'm coming with other signs too right away, back to back. So for now, I'm signing off on Aries, Cancer, Libra and Capricorn. Thank you so much. Take care. Share my videos.